If we're just going on the initial, what do you look like, we're not really that interested in people. But when we introduce ourselves and warm up a little bit, people look a lot more attractive. Then what did we do? We just started talking about things that were a little bit more interesting than the usual date thing. And you can do that. You can bring a little vulnerability in. You don't have to see the person ever again. Why not just practice being real? I know as a woman especially, guys probably have the same thing. I'm sure it's not sex related. You're sitting there trying to be something this other person would like. And it has nothing to do with you. So why not just relax like this and see if any kind of friendship's available? They've actually proven that they've done studies on long-term couples that are successful, and they ask them what do they think they base that on, and 70% of men and women say it's the friendship. So why aren't we looking for our best friend? Our best sexual friend? Our best friend that we have sex with? But in the conventional dating world, the friend zone means it's over. Well, what if it wasn't? What if we changed that?